Hi everybody, this is Avalon Bytes at Avalon School London. I'm Danny. Today we're going to look at a difficulty that a lot of French speakers have. The difference in pronunciation between z and the. As in the sentence, this is the man that I saw. This is the man that I saw. Now, many French speakers might say, this is the man that I saw. But that's not correct. The correct pronunciation is, this is the man that I saw. This is the man that I saw. The, with your tongue just between your teeth there. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and see you next time.